And now the next thing I want to do is upload my store's logo and favicon. So I'll scroll back up to the top, and then I'll go to the left-hand side here and find my theme settings. I'll go ahead and click into it, and then I'll open up the logo tab here, and I'll select my logo. I'll go ahead and drag in my logo here, give that a moment to upload. Then once it's uploaded, I'll go to the bottom right and click on Done. And then my logo will be uploaded here. Next, I'll want to drag in my favicon. I'll select it here, and then I'll drag in my favicon image. Go to the bottom right and click on Done. Now we're not able to see the favicon just yet because our store isn't live, but once we publish our store, it'll appear right here just like Shopify's favicon. It's simply a little image that appears in your customer's browser. Now with all of those changes made, let's go to the top right here to save our progress. Let's go ahead and click on Save.